Okay.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Seagull Games. So today I'm bringing you a brand new video. Today we'll be playing some Black Ops 3 and we're going to be joined with TF
Smoke
Jake
checked.
again.
Hello.
Yeah, so there's Jake.
Hostile care package overhead.
I'm going to try and get at least my wraps. I'm not sure how well it's going to go. But yeah, we can just hope for the best. I do apologize for the graphics not being too well. Obviously, like, I can't, like my PC isn't like that high end that I can record in full graphics and stuff like that.
Oh, rip.
Yeah. Maybe one day.
Yep, I'm not too good at this.
Ah, shit. Alright.
Are you nearly at the top as well?
Some good, man. I wish.
Okay, I need to.
Oop. Wallen. Yeah, get wrecked. Biatch.
YOLO. YOLO. Never mind, I died.
Oh, no. Right, honestly, one of my biggest pet hates ever is shotgun. Seriously. I think the smallest map ever, I'm using shotguns. Piss people off.
Yeah, I've got a shotgun.
Alright. We'll not talk about that.
Be advised, hostile UAV incoming.
The most annoying one as well.
Where do you use that?
And wait, cool.
Hostile HCXD
So
in
yeah,
your
basically I'm
AO.
using the KM44 class. I haven't got any grenades equipped. I don't really feel like I need to use them particularly. But oh, bloody hell, what was that? Oh, HCXD. I like how they just copied a lot of things that was in Black Ops 2 and just changed them slightly.
Yeah, it's good anyway.
Liquidation successful.
Damn.
There's. Oh,
Oh. Noob.
come on, we can do this. Where was he? There he is.
That's it. Bloody scythe. Noob.
Oh.
Spot someone. Ooh, there you are.
What? Oh, damn it! Those two sets.
Also, guys, sometimes I do stream this, so go and check out my Twitch account and you can see if I'm ever streaming some Black Ops 3 if you do like this content. I didn't even know why I pulled up my fist. I'll let you out, mate.
Okay. I've just got eaten off.
Hostile Guardian spotted.
Oh, didn't even see him.
You try and grab your spike from there. Another one people, I mean, I won't be there.
Ruin.
You're wondering why I'm
AI.
not aiming, I just prefer to like scope it really. Easier.
Oh, no, no. Fuck. Oh. I hit that, I keep zooming in, I can't move 'cause it's too slow.
Oh, what is this madness? Oh,
Also, guys, Jake's Jake's channel will be in the description, so you can go and check that out.
same for Seagulls.
Maybe getting to 20 subscribers. I think he's at 8 at the moment, so yeah.
I'm nearly at PewDiePie's level.
Yeah, almost.
Nearly there.
Listen.
Target down.
Yeah, just killed him.
I kind of wish I had the perk on that doesn't allow your movements to be seen. Oh, this is supposed
The
to
guy
be
that just
stealth
killed you.
class. That aim.
What is it?
Yeah, so much for the wraps. I haven't done very well as well.
Same. 5 to 11.
What? Seriously? No.
Alright,
yeah, so I guess we're seeing that.
sweet. Alright, so we're back.
Yeah. At the same time, sweat.
We're just too swag for you guys. Joking.
Yeah. We're back again on our fringe this time.
Again.
What was that? Yeah, I've decided to put, I just unlocked the purifier, so I was like, might as well use this. I mean, I always
Looks
get
good.
destroyed by it. It's a bit OP, I think.
And I'm one more level away from getting my new specialist.
Oh, yeah, little campers.
Prey down.
Yeah. Got new gear. Ah, 2.
Oh my god, the camping! I
Don't know why I was shotgunning from long range. You're ridiculous. Where is he? Oh, there
Seraph
he is.
down.
Got him. Got him.
That lag hurts.
Say hello to my 30 FPS. Oh. This is the only person I'm seeing.
I don't want to run out and get killed. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. Okay, I didn't
Yep.
get... Nope.
I can see it.
Someone that...
And they just killed me. You better kill them. Right.
I'm scared.
Hostile down.
I love just using the haymaker to kill everyone.
Ruin down.
Hate the hammer so much. Can't even.
I can. Actually, pretty easy. Come at them and spray. Hey.
Wasted.
No, what the hell? I mean, I only had 3 kills. 3 and 4
What?
by the Madeline.
5 and 6.
And better than me.
And I just got stabbed. Wow. About to get a double kill, I can feel it.
Sparrow ready.
Yeah, I got him. Double kill. Oh, let's go. So sick. So overpowered. No! Man, that was OP.
UAV inbound.
Right. So I got 3 shots directly next to them with a sparrow. Blow didn't even do any damage whatsoever.
Target
Yeah,
down.
Your blow thing doesn't do much damage.
Damn it, I was about to get a double kill.
I could hear someone, I thought he was outside. Oh, the
Made.
KM44. A recon.
Oh, that's so... There you go.
Keep down.
I'm so good at this game.
Annihilator, shut down. Can't
Right,
reach
where are
the
you?
melee
I'm
button.
gonna come and help you.
Such an awkward thing. Ah,
Been shocked.
change the melee button.
I might put it on my mouse.
Yeah, like the wheel. Scroll.
Like press it down. For some reason there's like fireworks going off.
Hostile UAV spotted.
Outside yours?
Yeah. Either that or explosions.
Let's hope it's fireworks.
Yeah, let's hope it's fireworks.
Oh!
Right, come on. You. Hello.
One shot. Gun. It's just OP.
Oh, just got flipping knifed. Again.
Very good at this.
Ridiculous, put him.
Not very good at this.
I'm not. I've got 7 to 13.
Set up kill.
Boy,
Soldado.
stole my kill.
Did I?
No, not you. Someone else did.
Because I just stole someone's skill.
Oh.
I think.
What? That was an after kill. Didn't see him coming. I'm not sure if we're gonna win this one. I like how they changed this the kill cap from 75 to 100.
No.
You have to get 100 kills to win a team.
Oh, yeah, it was 75, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Seraph down.
And I'm dead.
Down.
Get some more kills.
Be advised, hostile UAV incoming.
Oh, embarrassing. Oh, that was embarrassing. Much.
UAV inbound.
Sparrow ready. Let's
Oh, I had a
hunt.
scythe. No chance. Ah. What's going
Oh, for God's sake.
It's down to
Nearly
this.
blew
Pick
myself.
it up.
on?
Right.
Single shooter.
KN-44 is not good for Chris.
Oh my God, what the hell happened there?
Vector down.
Just ran in and killed it.
Hostile hellstorm overhead.
Nice first.
I'm not very good at this. Right.
We don't reward
I got a
failure.
kill.
RTB for debrief and
I
reassessment.
didn't
didn't-
sign up for this shit. We need to fight smarter.
9 to 19. Brilliant.
Sick. We lost 100 to 84. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys.
Yep.
Remember, go and check
You've
out
seen my work.
TFJ's
It speaks for
YouTube channel.
itself.
Go and try and get him to 20 subscribers. That would be much appreciated by me and Jake. So yeah, if you want to see more of these videos, comment down below. Apart from that, I'll see you in the next one. Adios.
Yep.